In some of the following lectures, while we're using ChatGPT, we pull links from online. Some of those links were Amazon links where we copied them and pasted them directly into ChatGPT to pull information. Now, I just want to be clear about this. The cutoff date for the information that ChatGPT was trained on is September 2021. The goal of those lectures is to show the functionality of ChatGPT's ability to synthesize data and not put you under the assumption that it's accessing web-based information in real time. So when we're showing you these examples, the information that ChatGPT has is only accurate to that cutoff date, which can still be helpful in some use cases, but if you want the most accurate, live, and up-to-date information, you should visit the website directly in your browser, copy the information that you want, which is live and up-to-date, and then paste that into ChatGPT, or use one of the Chrome extensions that we go into inside this course. So even though we may not mention that in those specific lessons, I wanted to create this extra video to just really clarify that ChatGPT is an amazing tool, but it does have this very specific limitation.